My name is Christina O'Gwin. I'm the Director of School and After-School Partnerships at the Tech Museum of Innovation. Today we were conducting a design challenge workshop. We engage our participants in finding your why. Finding your why is about introducing a real-life problem and the criteria and constraints around that real-life problem. Today's challenge was whimsical in that we said that the Easter Bunny had broke his leg and he needed help designing a device first that could travel across the sea using wind energy.
Look how straight that is.
Woo!
Nice job.
And in a second challenge that would travel across the land using wind energy. In between each design challenge, we engaged in reflection with our participants. We talked about the process that they were going through, the nature of that process, how it's iterative, it's open-ended, it's very nonlinear. We reflected on what they liked about that process, how they would change it for their students, how they would also apply it to the science and math concepts that they're teaching.
One way I like how this incorporates with the next generation science standards is because it involves modeling, having students work collaboratively, and incorporating engineering design practices. That's a new focus for us, but I'm really thrilled about it because it takes students away from the rote memorization that we used to have and helps them understand how to apply the concepts that they're currently using.
We also talked with the participants today about the mindsets that they used. What made this possible? How do you think like an innovator? How do you think like an engineer? Perseverance. It is possible that if you keep trying, you will eventually come up with a solution.
Being open-minded and having things be open-ended, a space for failure if devices don't work out. A lot of them really left with the feeling of like, that could have worked. A couple of the last devices that didn't quite work out as planned, and that's really an engineering mindset to feel like you can persevere, you can make it better, you can improve it, and you can get it working. That's really what engineering is all about.
A big piece of our process is this idea of dive in. The testing station is open and the materials are available, and we just let everybody go in and go at it. We saw a lot of solutions today that were really different, and that was exciting. It meant that people were feeling innovative and they were thinking outside of the box, that we succeeded in creating an environment where that could happen. What we wanted them to come away with today is a better understanding of the engineering design process. We wanted them to feel more confident in taking this process back to their students. We wanted to arm them with some resources so that they could engage their students in the engineering design process.